Hi, I'm Tom Foley, Senior Director of Member Services and Business Development for PCMA. Today I'm going to help you familiarize yourself with Catalyst, PCMA's social circle where members can participate in conversations that matter to them, join communities, and collaborate with each other, all while exploring today's pressing issues and trends. So you're probably thinking, why do I need to join another social networking site when there's so many options out there? Or why is this different than LinkedIn? Well, while sites like LinkedIn offer the opportunity to share ideas, Catalyst is built specifically for you, the meeting professional. It includes a wide variety of features that separate this community from any other online social networking site. It allows the ability to post and share documents with each other, which is a great resource. This powerful feature allows us also to build a vast library that is searchable by you and other members. So let's get started. First, visit catalyst.pcma.org. Look in the top right corner to make sure you are logged in. If the site recognizes you, you will see a welcome message and your first name will be displayed at the top of the screen. If you are not logged in, you will see a login link above the search box like you see here. So you can see I'm not currently logged in, but will do so now. Upon logging in for the first time, you will be prompted to accept the code of conduct. Don't worry, you're not signing your life away. It's just some basic guidelines for participation and discussion etiquette. You definitely want to read through this thoroughly. You will then be directed to the homepage of Catalyst, which you can see here on the screen. This is where you can see site announcements, latest discussions that you have access to, and tips on how to get started. Items are updated whenever a new post is made, so this section is constantly changing. A new post will appear in the latest discussions once this page is refreshed. One thing to note is that if a user doesn't have permissions to access a particular community, they will not see any of the content posted within that community on the home page. So, if you are a member of PCMA committee or task force, this is a great example. You may have access to communities that some of your colleagues do not. Now let's move to the top of the page and take a look at the navigation links that allow you to move around the site. The My Profile tab gives you a quick link to your profile, your settings, your contacts, messages, and favorite documents. The Directory tab lets you search PCMA members in the basic search or advanced search fields. The next tab, Forum, is our main discussion thread, and you can quickly view discussions or post a message from this link. The Communities tab gives you access to your communities or to browse all communities. After this tutorial, I'd suggest that you go to our online tutorials, which go into further details on managing your privacy settings within the membership directory, as well as your subscription settings within the discussions and communities. You can also access the Catalyst FAQs, which can be found in the top navigation bar here. You'll notice the welcome box in the top right-hand corner of the page. This box will always be there no matter what page you visit on your community site. It includes links to your profile, communities, and any messages that you may have been sent. It also tracks a progress bar, which tracks your engagement, like adding information to your profile or connecting with other members. Once I've walked you through everything, you'll be able to jumpstart that progress. Let's start with updating your profile, as it's the first thing you will want to do upon logging into Catalyst for the first time. Scroll over the My Profile tab and click on Profile. You will notice it's very similar to profiles on other social networking sites, and we've made it easier by allowing you to import from your LinkedIn profile. You can pull over as much or as little as you want by clicking Bring Your Information from LinkedIn, as you can see here. If you're active on social media, you can also link your profile to other sites like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. You can also easily update your personal information that you have on file with PCMA through Catalyst. Just click on the Edit My Profile on PCMA.org near the top of the page, and it will take you to the Profile Update section on the PCMA website. Here you can edit your information and add to your profile. Please note, though, that it takes about 60 minutes for Catalyst to refresh with any information that you've updated. On the left-hand side of the profile page, you will also see headings for contacts, communities, and networks. Contacts are your colleagues who you've connected with through the site. Communities are the individual communities that you've joined or have been assigned to based on your record within PCMA, or that you've been invited to. You don't have to do anything to update your networks. These will be automatically created based on the information in your profile. Also, under the My Profile tab is where you'll find your messages. This lets you track current and sent messages, as well as receive contact requests and community information. You'll also get email alerts from PCMA when you get those types of requests. And one last thing, I'd like to draw your attention to some helpful tools. On the home page of Catalyst is the Getting Started section. You will see a link to how to use Catalyst library here. You can click here for access to additional video tutorials that I mentioned earlier, as well as instructional documents that include screenshots. If at any time you're looking for something in Catalyst, you can use the search box in the upper right-hand corner. This function, similar to any online search engine, simply enter a term in the box and it'll search the content throughout the site and pull you back some recommendations. And that's the basic overview of Catalyst to help you get started. Thanks so much for tuning in. You can now go to Catalyst and join the conversation, expand your network, and start making the most of this great member resource. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us catalyst@pcma.org, or you can also use the Contact Us link at the top of the page. Thanks again for your time today. I'll be expecting a contact request from you shortly.